Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export a sprite sheet using TexturePacker in just a few simple steps. First, drag your animation frames or an entire folder directly into TexturePacker. The software will automatically load and arrange your sprites in the preview area. If you want your sprite sheet to export with square dimensions, go to the settings panel and adjust the max size values. I'm aware that each frame contains 200 pixels, and I want the image to be 4x4, which means the square size should be 200 multiplied by 4, resulting in an image size of 800 pixels. You can preview the animation by selecting all images, and click on Preview Anime button. Once everything looks good, click the Publish Sprite Sheet button, choose your export location, and TexturePacker will generate your sprite sheet along with the data file. You've successfully exported a sprite sheet using TexturePacker. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.